Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for March 25th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, we did see a second straight day of significant selling across the board for U.S. equities. This caused the markets to close or at least have their worst week since January of 2016. So a horrible week overall for equities. The Dow was down another 424 points, while the S&P 500 finished lower by 55 points. The Nasdaq was down by 175 points, while the Russell finished lower by 33 points. Now, back in 1987, on October 19th, you may remember it if you are as old as I am. That's when Black Monday happened. That was the day that the Dow dropped 508 points, or more importantly, was down 22.61% in one day. Could this be the eve of another Black Monday? Could we see another Black Monday tomorrow? It is certainly possible. And the reason why I say this is not only did we trade down to basically right down to support here in these lows. So if we break through it here on the Dow, there is really nothing holding this up until we get down closer to 22,000. So that's another 1,500 point drop. So on a percentage basis, are we going to see another repeat of Black Monday? No, I don't think so. But we could be on the eve here of another major drop for the markets tomorrow. This really all comes down to the concerns about a trade war, among other political and geopolitical events. So, we really need a catalyst or some news, some reassurance that the likelihood of a trade war is slim to none, which right now we don't have. And so I think there's a real potential here for another significant drop heading into tomorrow. Bonds on Friday were down slightly. The yield held pretty steady at 2.817, while gold futures were up significantly, again, on concerns of a trade war. Gold up almost 20 points, while crude oil spiked huge, and it was up almost 2.5%. This after the Saudi energy minister came out to say that OPEC would need to keep coordinating supply cuts with non-member countries, including Russia, all the way into 2019. So the more cuts we get, the higher oil should move on. So going to be an interesting day. Fasten your seatbelts. Tomorrow could be another fun ride. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.